All right, this is cabin 17210. This is the Presidential Suite, one of two on Carnival Jubilee. This is the largest cabin stateroom suite on board. So we were lucky enough to have this room for Julie's 50th birthday cruise. So this was our cabin. So we're just showing you as you come in the room some of the storage areas right here. So I have first-hand experience of what it's like to have this cabin for the week, and I can tell you it is a wonderful experience. You have a bathroom there with a toilet, and there is a sliding door that comes across for privacy right here. We're just walking through it, and there is a separate sink and wash area. Another one right there. Plenty of storage to put stuff. Here is your shower. Now there are 3 different shower ways to do this. You've got the head one there, you've got the handheld one on the right, and you also have a jet spray. So those 3 buttons on the middle there dictate which one you use, and the temperature button is the one underneath. You have the Elemis elevated shampoo and conditioner, the foot stand there for ladies that need to shave. I am told to always bring that up by Julie. Here is the bedroom in the side room. That door there you can close for privacy, and the curtains. Not that you would need privacy, but we had a group of like 13 of us, so we told people they could come in and use the balcony whenever they wanted. So it's nice to have that privacy. Next to the room, next to the bed, you have these bed lights with a USB port. Some drawers there. More storage space here, sliding doors. There is your safe and some extra baskets. One thing you will not be short of in this room is storage. Another one right here, more for hanging. And you get your slippers because this is a spa stateroom. So you do get access to the thermal spa as well. You also get access to Loft 19, although you do not get any discounts or anything on the cabanas. Be aware of that. I think you probably should with the amount of money you spend on this. More storage there. There is your TV, one of them. You have 2 TVs. Now behind this little door here, there's another USB port with a bed light. A little bit more storage area there. And then you have a workstation or a desk right here. Some more drawers, plenty of power outlets. Now lovely steward put a little note on the window for us. So you do get a lot more attention. There is your Cloud 9 list of what you can get. Basically it's entry to the thermal spa, and you get some discounts on certain things in the spa. The flowers are not part of it. I did buy those extra. And then you come into this main room here, and you have a little sink. Some shelving there. Now when we came into the room, we did have some snacks available for us. More power outlets there. There were the snacks that we had available. Didn't get those every day, just on the first day. USB ports there. More, not really too much shelving space there because part of it is the sink. But you have some here. There is your fridge. More storage spaces if you need it. And the bag was something else I got that didn't come with the room. There is a couch that can pull out also into a sofa bed, and up above you have one upper as well. So you can fit up to 5 people in this room. If you have friends who want to share it, But here's the pièce de la résistance, as they say in France. The balcony is amazing. Now, we did have friends in that next cabin, so we were able to open that door. So we had one long balcony that people could come out onto all week. But you have a table area here. One thing to note, there is no shade. So if you're in a really hot day, you can be out in the sun. So be aware of that. So it might be more applicable to spend more time on here in the evenings. Oh, it's great for sailways, obviously. So look at all the seating areas you had, and you had a hot tub, the shower there. Bear in mind the hot tub does take a long time to fill, so give yourself time for that. It's not going to fill in 5 minutes, probably more like half an hour. So yeah, a pretty impressive balcony. Back into the room one last time. Look at that from our room steward. She was amazing. And the bed one last time. So yeah, so this is the Presidential Suite on Carnival Jubilee. I'm going to show you a bunch of pictures, but I'm going to put them to music because you don't need to hear my voice too much longer. In a second, I'm also going to show you a picture of everything that was in the thermal spa allowed for us. But before that, I'm going to show you where we were at the front of deck 17. Again, this is a spa cabin, and these are all the amenities in the room. So you can freeze and read that. Next, I'm going to show you the slideshow with pictures with music. Enjoy. Well, thanks for watching. Don't forget, subscribe, hit that bell, and you'll get notifications when new videos come out. And don't forget, click on the links to the left and right of me. You can watch playlists, new video suggestions, and more. Any questions? Email me, cruisingsuitguy@gmail.com. And don't forget, I'm a travel agent. Email for help.